Hi guys! So for today's video, we're going to pick some moringa leaves in our backyard because our head chef, he will make a very nice and healthy bread. Okay, so come on, let's pick it up. So, this one, okay, I have two, and then some of this, and okay. Ta-da! So now we have our moringa. Okay, bye!
Hi, welcome everyone Chef Life YouTube channel. Today we are going to make moringa bread. This is very organic and this is very healthy. So let's go. To mix now, 3 minutes low speed and 7 minutes we go second high speed. Now our dough is ready. Moringa bread. See, nice mixing. Okay. Your bread dough should be covered. You can see it's proof already. So now I'm going to shape the bread loaf. I'm going to put inside the prover. It will keep almost 1 hour. So after finish 1 hour, we will check. Look, now our moringa bread is ready, so we are going to bake. You can see it's nice, frozen, shiny. We bake 20 minutes, 160, and fan number 2. Let's see. Wow, you can see it looks our moringa bread is ready. Wow, look at this. Wow, 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 wow. It's very nice. Out. Whoa, fantastic, fantastic. Wow. Once you take out, you need to glaze with olive oil. Okay, I want to taste this one now. Normally we don't taste when you take out, but I cannot wait anymore. I won't taste. Wow, look structure how it's very hot. You can see. Whoa, smoke coming out. Still, normally we don't cut bread when it was so hot, but this bread I cannot wait anymore. I want to taste it. Olive oil. Let's see. I feel real moringa taste. Wow, very nice.